Ooh, yes, I'm so happy. Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh my god. Oh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have another unboxing video for you. I collected these this morning. I received them and I'm so excited because this week it seems that a lot of packages are coming from different special editions I bought, and I'm not that person who collects parcels, to be honest. I don't have that patience, so just when I get the special editions, when I get the boxes, I just want to film this directly because I want to open the boxes too and see what I got inside. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with the smaller one because I think this is only one book. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what this is. Ooh, yes, I'm so happy. So story time. I was not one of the Fairyloot subscribers when they got this book in their monthly box. So when they did the last Fairy Trove restock, I jumped on this edition of Daughter of the Moon Goddess. I already read this book and love it so much. And this edition, I kept seeing it everywhere and loving it from a distance. So now I get to have it in my hands. Oh. This is one of the most gorgeous editions that Fairyloot did. Look at how beautiful. Look at how gorgeous this book is. How the copper reflects the light. Beautiful stenciled edges. I think everyone knows this special edition by now. It was so popular. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So, oh my god, look at how beautiful the artwork is. This is I think Prince Levi, his name is, I think. How beautiful. I'm so happy. I was one of the lucky ones to get this. Nothing on the back. To get this edition. So gorgeous. Very happy. Let's see. I don't believe it's signed. Oh my god. It is signed. It is signed. Wow. Just wow. Oh my god. I forgot his name. Oh, I forgot his name. But I don't want to spoil anything for anyone who didn't read it yet. But please read this book if you didn't read it yet. It's so good. Gorgeous all around. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I can just keep staring at this book for the whole day. So let's move on. I will do it later after I finish filming. So, okay. Let's grab the bigger box. Let's see. I hope this didn't cause any damage to the books. What is this? Special edition. I cannot see it very well. I love how Fairyloot, they are experts. They are experts at protecting the books. Look at how well wrapped it is. You cannot even see what's inside. So let's see. I think I know what this is. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Yes, yes, they are here. This is going to mess up my TBR so badly. Oh my god. Oh my god. The Bone Shard Daughter. The Bone Shard Trilogy. Well, the trilogy is called the Drowning Empire, but look at those edges. Look at those edges. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh my god. Wait. This is the second book. The Bone Shard Emperor. These are so badass. Look at that artwork. So badass. Look at those edges. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And this is the third book. How beautiful. How beautiful. How beautiful. I don't want to read the quotes. I don't want to read the quotes because I do not read this series yet, so I don't want to get spoiled for anything. So these are the spines. Look at them. How gorgeous. It's all like a variation of blue. And let's see. I'll put them like that for you to see. So, first book, second book, third book. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see what's in. What? Excuse me? Excuse me? I'm going to stop saying gorgeous. I'm going to stop doing that. But it is. It is. Look at the foiling. Look at the foiling on these. Nothing on the back. What? What? So I'm going to show you what's inside. First page. Signed by the author. I'm so excited. the star of the show, the map. Well, maybe not here. The books are so gorgeous, but still. Oh my God. So stunning. So stunning. Are you ready for the artwork on the other end paper? I hope it's not the same. Oh, it is the same. It is the same. It's okay. It's okay. I still love it. Love it. This is the second book. I know that these have very unique magic system. At the magic, I think it's extracted from the bones. And I'm so intrigued to read these books and excited because I heard only great things about them. So yeah. Wow. Just wow. Look at how gorgeous are these creatures, how cute. Just look at how detailed and beautiful the artwork is. Excuse me. Stunning. Stunning, stunning. Stunning. And it's also signed. I'm showing you the book. The same. Okay, are you ready for the last one? The creatures, I don't know what they are. They are becoming older. I mean, they are babies in the first book, and then they are becoming bigger and bigger. Look at how badass. Look at this. I'm in love with this character art. Look at them. Beautiful. Beautifully done. I'm so happy with these. It's also signed. We have the map. First chapter. I'm in love. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, yep. Beautiful, beautiful books. It's all blue themed today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to read these. And yeah, if you like watching special editions, unboxings, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!